Brats, you know me, and I have an Oculus Quest 2, and I love the deluxe audio strap that we've franken-quested on there. But there are other head strap options out there, especially if you've already tried this and you're not into it. You want something that doesn't necessarily have headphones on it, or you don't want to go through the franken-quest process. The one we're going to try out today is the Seltureone head strap for Oculus Quest 2. Now, you may never have heard of this company, but if you were to look on Amazon, if you were to type Oculus Quest 2 head strap, you would find Seltureone, Orzero, Eyglo, basically any company that is probably doing what's called drop shipping. It's basically where they are an intermediary between a manufacturer and they sell directly to people on Amazon. They are selling these products and not even necessarily handling themselves. All these straps are gonna look almost identical, and that's what we're checking out. So really, this is gonna apply to a lot more than just this strap, but this is the one in particular that we do have is from Seltureone. So let's check this out. Small, sharp knife, always be safe. All right, first thing out of the gate, they have a note that says unhappy ? It also says happy on the other side, but just from me to you, one former business manager, don't tell someone they're gonna be unhappy the minute they open it. It comes with instructions and some assembly required, apparently. So let's figure this out real quick. First impression, it feels like decent plastic. It does not look 3D printed. It looks like it's better than that. The strap on the back does not inspire a ton of confidence. I'm sure this will be decent and last some time, but it just does not feel like this is an amazing quality product. And at $38, I mean, I would expect something decent, but not something crazy good, I guess. Cradles the back of my head decently. All right, let's find out why the heck there's so many pieces here. So we currently have our Franken Quest on here instead of the original head strap. If you still have the original head strap and you've never taken it off, it's pretty simple. So on the original one, the side buckles, this part right here, literally is just clipped over it. You can grab it and just peel it right off like I did this. Same exact process. Facial interface always comes out by pulling it off. We've got left piece, right piece, right piece. So it looks like the right piece here, it's gonna fit over the entire thing just like your stock one did that came. Whew, it's taking more pressure than I would like for it to. Okay, this is getting a little freaky. Oh God, oh God. This is putting a lot more pressure than I feel super comfortable doing, but I know it's made to fit. Okay, we're gonna come back to the right one. That's freaking me out too bad. I do not like this, Sam I am. It's just all made of plastic, and it's definitely a plastic that does not inspire a ton of confidence. Oh God. Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't trust you. Okay. One is on there at least. So like the way this should be going is this just goes over and wraps around there, and then this has these two clasps that should in theory just slip into place. It takes just a really hard push to get it in there, which kind of makes sense why I was having so much trouble even trying to put them on the headset. Oh gosh, I don't like this. Okay, that was proper frightening. This is pretty simple. This is just gonna run through the hoop, and then I'll adjust that once it's ready to be put on. Now back to this part. Oh my God. Whew. That took a tremendous amount of pressure, but it's on there. I will say, I feel like once you get on there, it's not gonna come off, so at least you're not afraid of that anymore. Now, unlike the deluxe audio strap, there are no headphones that are included. You're gonna be using your stock speakers, or you're gonna have to plug in your own headphones. The gear makes a whole lot of squeaking and sounds when you're putting it on. It's definitely a little frightening. And then one thing, this is obviously gonna affect different users differently. My ears are touching this part. It's not a friendly, comfy touch. There's a little bit of the sharp edge of the Velcro sticking down here on the bottom. But I will say over the stock head strap, this is still gonna be a vast improvement because the stock head strap is just terrible. It definitely takes quite a bit of adjustment to feel like you're gonna get it right. I'm gonna try pushing the arms all the way down. It just seems like no matter what I do, the way I feel like this should fit, I feel like this should be cradling the back of my head. It just doesn't feel like it's going to. That's not totally necessary. I just want it to, which is annoying me. Can I tuck my ears inside of it? Well, that is not a product I am gonna actually recommend. This part is too squeaky. It feels like it's just not gonna last. These are just way too hard to get on. That freaks me out getting them on, to be honest with you. I felt like they were gonna break. This part here feels crazy cheap. It doesn't feel like your normal Velcro. It feels like electrical tape with Velcro stuck to it. Maybe your head shape is different than mine. No matter what I do, I can only get this part to cradle, which is actually pretty comfortable. That is the nicest part about it, is this. It might be a slight improvement over the stock head strap, but at $38, I feel like you can probably get something better. My ears are constantly being pushed on by the sharp edge. This is not a product that I would personally use on my Oculus Quest 2. There you have it, Orzero. What the heck was the name of this company? Seltureone, Eyglo, all these ones that use basically this exact same design. I personally don't love it. I would not recommend it for you unless you absolutely don't want the stock strap and you don't want the Oculus brand strap because they tend to break. Maybe this could be right for some people, but it's not for me at all. I'm gonna be taking that right off and returning that immediately. What can you do? They're not all winners. And if anybody from the company hears this, maybe consider a redesign. I mean, if this thing didn't feel so cheap and this thing actually reached in, cradled, and supported your head, I think it looks nice on the Quest 2, but that's about as far as that goes. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I will see you in another reality. I want to say the biggest thank you to those of you who have become channel members and any of you who have ever been patrons of ours. Gallium VR, Chris Deputy, Legacy VR, Bagel, and a Fissy King Sloth are current channel members. Our patrons, K27, Rocket Sauce 28, K Panda K, Fred Nepatebo, Ege Karatosh, Maddie's, Gallium VR, Orange VR, and Mr. Dodojo. Thank you so much, everyone, for supporting the channel.
What was scaring me, I was honestly not even paying attention at that point to the freaking camera work, because I was like watching you struggle so hard to get these things to snap in. It was scaring the crap out of me.
I seriously was like, I'm gonna break something.
I thought you might just quit and be like, nope, too hard. It shouldn't be this hard. I'm not risking my Quest. Goodbye.
I was determined.